የናንን ደግሞ ውሎ አደረና ዘጋቢ ስልክ ከፈለጋችሁኝ የናንን ስልክ ለምትሰጣውና ደውሉ
Yeah, nice aroma. Yeah. Nice, eh? So coffee beans here. What kind of coffee is this? Arabica. Let's try it.
Of course. We'll see the process. Washing, roasting it,
Okay.
grinding it,
Yeah.
and then boiling, and then pour to the coffee and then you try.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So it's quite a process.
Quite a process, man. It's not like a machine, 2-3 minutes.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
Okay.
This is like, it's our culture. We really like it doing it.
What is this here?
So this is a bread.
Oh, I see.
So we eat it with the chili.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so it's very, very tasty. So she's pouring honey wine.
Honey wine.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope you heard about that or you have
Nope.
tried it that before.
I never heard about honey wine.
No?
Nope.
You never tasted it even?
Nope. Not
Yes.
honey wine.
Okay. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Thank you.
So it's very popular. It's a prestigious drink. Latination
Latina Chan.
to our house.
To our house.
Yeah.
Okay. To our house.
Latina Chan.
Latina Chan.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well, it's quite strong, huh?
Yeah, quite strong.
And this is chili.
Chili. Yo, whoa, that's too much.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I don't know your taste. You like chili?
I do.
But not too much.
It's spicy, yeah? Those are raw beans and now she's washing them.
Yes. Because, you know, when they transported, this became dirty, you know? After that, she will roast it immediately. All right.
Wow, that looks nice.
Yeah, this is, we call it honey, sorry. I say honey, but it's called በየአይነቱ. በየአይነቱ means a little bit of everything.
Okay.
Okay, we have this potato,
Yep.
with carrot, and then we got a spinach,
Yep.
we have lentil, and then we have chickpeas too.
Okay.
So all in one.
Yeah.
So when we eat, we just cut
And what is this? Some kind of bread or?
injera. It's made
injera.
from a grain called teff,
Yeah.
and it's fermented for 3 days. Then it's baked on the clay I showed you,
Yep.
on the electrical one.
Okay.
Also the firewood, as by firewood. So we eat it like this. We scoop. Yeah.
So this is lentils, right?
The lentils.
This one.
Yeah, lentils. So now we are in the fasting season. So we have them a lot, you know. So we eat vegan.
Yeah.
We eat vegetables. Sorry. So
When does your fasting start? The same as Ramadan or?
no.
No?
No, 1 week before Ramadan, I think.
Okay. But you said your fasting is much longer. 50 days or
55 days.
55 days.
Yeah.
so now she's roasting
The coffee.
the coffee beans.
Yeah. So that is the coffee. So it takes a little while
Yeah.
to it to turn into the black, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
ውሎ አደረና ዘጋቢ ስልክ
Yeah. Nice aroma. And all the meat is here. Haile Selassie on the left. This guy was during the Derg regime. The art of coffee making.
All right, so this is part of the culture. So smelling the aroma, which is a bit stronger.
Wow. Now she lets it cool down.
Yeah,
Or...
exactly.
And where does the coffee, where is it growing?
West part,
West part.
west part, southwest part,
Yeah.
central south,
Okay.
and east.
This is a, you know,
Yes.
Yes.
in French you call it crêpe.
Yeah.
This.
Yes.
You know, it's like a pancake.
Yeah, like a pancake or like chapati. Like
Yes,
chapati.
yes, yeah, exactly, exactly.
Yeah, like chapati. So we don't flip.
No.
So
Oh, you don't flip?
Yeah.
No.
So
Well, it's
this-
quite big actually to flip. Then she just puts the lid on top and then it's cooking inside,
Yeah,
right?
until after 4 or 5 minutes,
Yeah.
then it's ready.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's not cooked yet.
አረቄ
We have
ሀበሻ
also
አረቄ
local liquor. This one, the liquor, is made from the wheat that we saw
Yeah.
from the market.
I know this one, Uzo.
Oh, of course.
And this one is from here, you say?
yeah.
Oh, yeah, Ethiopia.
But this one is like homemade, huh?
Yeah.
This liquor, the one she's
Okay.
pouring. Yeah.
So it's like moonshine.
Yeah, moonshine. You can try it. Or shot with her.
ሻት ሻት
Say cheers.
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 Mm.
It's really nice.
So this one is a bit stronger than the honey wine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it
Yes.
made of?
The wheat she add.
Oh,
wheat,
that's... oh.
yeah, barley, sorghum.
Yeah, really good.
Wow, wonderful.
That's Injera.
Looks very good.
Yes.
Well done.
Well done. Well done.
Yeah.
Well done.
Wow.
So
cool.
that's how we make it. So
Yeah.
after it is ready, so she has to cool it again, you know,
Yep.
because otherwise it will stick to the other one.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thank you.
You're a real expert.
Yeah.
So now it's cooled down and it smells amazing.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So this is a hell of a process, huh?
Yeah. So how the process?
So now she's grinding the beans.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, you can smell it from here.
Yes.
It's amazing.
The base smell I love.
በቃሽ ነኝ እሺ አይ አይ
I should be You can't smell it. Smell it.
Yeah. Nice, huh?
ናይስ
Wow. Very good.
So every day, at least one time a day, we do it
Yeah.
during lunch, most of the time.
I see.
And there are families who like it in the morning, in the evening, but
And they go through this whole process by roasting it and then
And
grinding it.
yeah. And sometimes when they have the powder, they straight go to the boiling. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
nice.
sometimes, yeah.
Very nice. So what did she do now? She grounded it, and where did she put it?
Yeah, grind it. Then when the water is boiled,
Yes.
she will add it to the pot.
Okay.
To the pot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is she gonna filter it at the end, or?
No filtration. So what
Yeah.
we're gonna do is she gonna put it like this side.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will sink.
Yeah. There's water inside, right? Coffee is ready now.
The beans.
Yes.
they're roasted.
It stays inside.
Yes.
That's
So-
nice.
Sometimes you might find
A little bit maybe,
bit,
yes,
not
but
too
it's-
much.
it's
That's
cool.
why we do. This is our filtration, you know.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
It took a long time to roast it and to do the whole preparation, so I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy this now.
Oh yes. The final product.
I mean, it smells amazing.
በጣም ሲያስጠሉ ሲያናድዱ በእናትህ እንደው
Cheers.
Yes. Cheers.
Perfect coffee.
Perfect.
Well done.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
That's a bit stronger, right?
Yes,
Compared
but
to the
it's
Turkish one?
but it has a yes.
A real.
I really like this.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Yeah. So in our culture, we do it 3 times.
What do you mean?
3 rounds, sorry.
Oh,
3
really?
rounds,
Yeah. Okay.
So with the same powder, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So the first one will be for the father.
Yeah.
The second one is for the mother and the guest.
Yeah.
And the third one is for the kid,
Okay.
according to the tradition.
Okay.
But
Yep.
we don't.
Okay.
Nowadays, you know, it's,
Yeah.
yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for this fantastic ceremony. Thanks for the coffee making. It was amazing. So if you have a chance, watch my video. But thanks for watching, guys. Cheerio
Yeah.
until next time.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Exactly.